Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this Do Not Disturb button. By tapping on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its behavior, you can set up which sounds and vibrations will be allowed during this mode, which not. You can manage notifications. If you want to block sound notifications, you can block sound and visual notifications. You can add exceptions for this mode, for example from calls, from anyone, from contacts only, from stared contacts, or from nobody. Here you can stare contacts. There's also an option allow repeat callers. If the same person calls a second time within 15-minute period, allow it. The same goes to messages. You can also add reminders and events to exceptions. You can set default duration for this mode here, and you can also set it to turn automatically, which is basically just a schedule for the not disturb mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.